Hey, here's a challenge. Can you break 657 down into its building block? So stick around as we are peel back the layers of 657 using the magic of prime factorization. It is easier than it looks and way more satisfying. So what is prime factorization? So prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Those indivisible numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, and so on. Or in other words, we can say that we are finding out what prime numbers multiply together to give us 657. So let's start. So as we can see, 657 is odd, so it cannot be divisible by with the first prime number, that is 2. Now check with 3. So check with 3, we have to sum the digits. So 6 plus 5 is 11 plus 7 is 18. 18 can be divisible by 3. It gives us 6. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3 and 9. 219. Now again we are going to do the sum of digits to check. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 9. 12. We can go with 3 again. 219 divided by 3 is 7 times 21 and 3 times this. Now 73 is a prime number. So 73, we have to leave it here. So final prime factorization of 657 is 3 times 3 times 73, or in terms of exponent, 3 power 2 times 73. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.